Today we'll discuss this topic of IoT. IoT means Internet of Things itself is a vast topic. Means it has a various branches that includes various technologies and adaptation of this technology. But I'll try to cover this a few interesting things about this IoT and various and other interesting things are also there. Suppose for electronics engineers, the things are like a microcontrollers and this the VLSI design, VLSI communications, and all these topics are very correlated to these technologies now. We'll try to understand that IoT with the help of this structure. That is known as a typical IoT architecture. It's a very early means a very early stage architecture where we have only the three layers, the first layer, second layer and three layers, and fourth layer. But nowadays we have the 7-layer IoT architecture because of this requirement and because of the advancement in technology. So first we'll try to understand this architecture only. So in this architecture, we have the various things are there. So these things are, they have the capability. So they have the sensor actuators or the things, means they have the capability to connect with the gateway. The gateway is a kind of routers which connect this data to the cloud. So we have the various type of sensors. So many sensors are available, and the sensor sense the particular data and it transmits that data to the gateway. There is again a research area where how to transfer this data from the sensor to the gateway. So various technologies are available. Generally, the people are using the Bluetooth. They can use a Wi-Fi. They can use a Zigbee. They can use a LoRaWAN. They can use a 6LoWPAN. Or nowadays, the new coming technologies, which is matched with the 5G, is a Sigfox. Is a new technology that is coming up technology for the communication. So various research areas are there to communicate the short range communication, the communication from this IoT node to the gateway. The requirement is that communication should be very fast, and the communication required very less amount of that processing required a very less amount of power, and the reliability of this communication is very high. So again, there is a research area here. Again, a research area for the sensor development is also there. You can develop the various kind of sensors. So this is again an open area to develop the various kind of sensors. So the sensor sense something, it transfers that data to the gateway. I told you that various technologies are available. There are some advantages and disadvantages of that use of that technology. कि हमें कहाँ Bluetooth use करना है, where we have to use the Wi-Fi, where we use Zigbee, LoRaWAN, 6LoWPAN. सब अलग-अलग technologies हैं, अलग-अलग advantages and disadvantages हैं. But according to the applications, you select particular technology and you connect your sensor with the gateway. The use of this gateway is just as a toll tax. I mean, it route your data towards the cloud. It just gives the strength to your data to put that data to the cloud. And cloud means it's not a real cloud. Means आसमान में कुछ नहीं है. It's on the earth है. But cloud means it has a very high processing power, very large storage capacity, so that whatever the raw data is sensed by the sensor, routed by the gateway, is available to the cloud. It processes that data, convert into the useful information, and if it is required, then send the instruction through this gateway to the sensor to do the particular action if the actuator is there. Otherwise, it sends the data, it may be the consumer behavior, and it put that data in some database. And that data in future they use that data for the particular applications. So this is a very typical architecture for a very earlier stage. Early means means it's a very early stage of architecture for the IoT system. So we'll try to understand that key sensors, gateway, what is the terminology which we use in the further part of the presentation. The sensor means it is a sensor which senses a particular suppose environmental sensor is there, it senses the temperatures, oxygen, carbohydrate, nitrogens and all this, and the kind of that sensor is, suppose your wristwatch, your wearable belt, it sends the blood pressure, oxygen levels and all this. The various sensors are available and the various applications require the various different type of sensors. It has a capability, sensors and actuators. Then we have the gateway. The gateway is only to forward the received data to the cloud, because it is not possible to directly transfer the sensor data to the cloud. It required a very high amount of power. And sensor, it may be deployed in some rural area, some area where the power is not there. So that is a battery operated. Most generally the sensors are the battery operated. So the power requirement, the power processing power is a very critical issue for the sensor design. So that is again one of the research area in the sensor node.